When you love what you do, it's not just a job. It's your passion, your purpose. That's where greatness happens. You wake up excited, challenges become chances, and every moment feels like a step towards something extraordinary. It's not about clocking in and out. It's about pouring your heart into something that matters to you. When you love the process, the results take care of themselves. So find what lights you up, and you'll never settle for anything less than greatness. Because when you love what you do, success becomes inevitable.